Setting up verification with Carlbot on Discord can help you manage who enters your servers and ensure that new members meet your entry criteria. This video is a step-by-step guide on setting up your verification system with Carlbot. First, you have to go to the Carlbot website, click on the invite button and follow the instructions to add Carlbot on your server. Ensure that Carlbot has necessary permission to manage roles and send messages and moderate the server. Now create a dedicated channel where new users will verify themselves, often called as verify or something similar. Set the channel permission to prevent new members from seeing other parts of the server until they are verified. Create a new role for verified members in your server setting. Create a new role called verified. Set the permission for this role according to what verified members should be able to access. Configure Carlbot dashboard. Now navigate to the moderation tab, find and enable verification module. Configure the verification settings. Now in your verify channel, create a welcome message explaining how to verify, and this is totally depends on your server's requirement. This video is not covering that. Now join your server with a new account and check if it's working or not. So this was a step-by-step guide how you can set up Carlbot on your Discord server for verification.